Hi guys, good day. So this is going to be a continuation of the tutorial that I've already uploaded, which is basic tips and tricks using MS PowerPoint. So this one is going to be the part 2. It's quite going to be very short but also very useful. Let's start na po. Okay. First, we're going to do screen recording in PowerPoint. This is something that we actually don't know that is possible to do now in MS PowerPoint 2016 and newer versions as well. So this is very helpful if you're going to do tutorials and you want to screen capture something that you're doing on your screen without trying to install platform or something like screen recorder. So what we can do now is go to Insert tab and then look for the screen recording button here. Click on that. Automatically, a window will appear on your screen, allowing you to select the area of your window that you want to be recorded. So if I'm going to drag here, automatically this part of the screen is going to be recorded. So if you click on this red button here, you're going to be allowed to capture it. So may warning sign na ganyan. So always remember Windows key, Shift, and then the letter Q on your keyboard. That would mean end your screen recording. So pwede na tayong mag-scroll and then do whatever we want. If you click on any video here, that is also going to be recorded. This is very helpful kasi you don't need to download any other screen capture app na. So automatically, if you click on Windows key, Shift, and then the letter Q, your screen recording is going to be inserted on your slideshow. So ito na siya. Automatically, it's here. Napakadali mag-screen capture right now in PPT. Next one is rehearsing timings. Rehearsing timings is very useful if you want to record the timings of your slides and your elements as well. So I have here a slideshow. I've already inserted elements like pictures and text, and this slideshow is going to be a business advertisement. This is quite more of like a sample of what are the things that we can do using rehearsing timing. So I've already inserted transitions as well. As you can see, meron na siyang mga transitions here on top. And I've also inserted animations onto the elements. So what I need to do is just basically going to rehearse how the elements are going to behave when they are going to be played on screen. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the slideshow tab and then click on rehearse timing. So this allows you to, let me just read it. This allows you to rehearse your presentation, and PowerPoint will record how much time you spend or seconds that you spend on a specific slide, and they are going to record it for you. So kapag nagpe-present ka na, you don't need to click on anything kasi na-rehearse mo na yung timing. So always remember, when you click on rehearse timing, it is going to be in full screen, allowing you to record. Here on top, nakita natin kung gaano siya katagal. So I'm gonna do this na muna. So as you can see on top, lumalabas kung ilang seconds na yung buong slideshow. And then kung ilang seconds ang nasa-spend natin in each particular slide. So if you press enter or end, you're going to be asked, total time for a slideshow is 30 seconds. You want to save the new slide timings. You just have to click on yes. And then automatically, when you click on the full screen mode or for slideshow, elements are all going to move for you without you clicking on anything on your keyboard. So I'm not clicking on anything right now. I can talk and I can discuss what my business presentation is all about freely. And good advantage nito is that if you're presenting something individually, you don't have to click on anything. You just have to talk and talk. And then magano na mag-isa yung inyong slideshow. Next one. Inserting audio in our PowerPoint presentations is very easy. It makes our presentation more interactive as well and then more engaging for our audience. So we just need to go to the Insert tab and then click on Audio and then click Audio on my PC and then look for the background music that you need to insert in your slideshow. So let me select this one, Ben Sound Little Idea. You can also find good background music in Ben Sound. You just punta lang kayo kay www.bensound.com if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the link below. And then click on Insert. and then automatically a sound icon is going to appear on your slide. So this allows you to change the options of your audio as well. So kapag on-click, automatically it's only going to play kapag clinic natin siya on our slide show. So we need to click on automatically, and then here, what we need to do is enable the play across slide. So ibig sabihin, it's going to play across all of these slides in our slideshow. So hindi siya mapuputol, tuloy-tuloy. And then, pwede natin enable din yung hide during show para hindi makita yung audio clip icon. And in our animation, just to make sure na si sound, yung pinakaunang magpe-play before all the other elements, what we can do is adjust here. Let's just click on the animation pane, and then instead of putting it, automatically the last element that you inserted on your slide is going to be here at the bottom. So let's just drag it here sa pinakataas just to make sure that it is going to play first before all the other elements are going to move. So again, if we try to play it full screen, automatically it's going to play, and then your icons are all going to appear. Yeah. And the last part of our discussion is exporting slides into video file. This is very easy. Let's just use the previous example and the previous slideshow na ginawa natin, na nilagyan natin ng rehearsed timings. Automatically, yung rehearsed timings na yun, if we convert this slideshow into a video file, it will look or appear like a video. Ginawa mo on a video editing platform. So, punta ka lang kay File tab, and then instead of clicking on Save As, kasi yun yung una nating instinct, click here on Export. And then, look for the Create Video button, and then here, you can select if you're going to, we're going to render it in low quality or internet quality only. So for now, let's just try to render this in the highest format possible, and click on Create Video. And then this is very important. Enable the use recorded timings and narrations. This will allow PowerPoint to render your presentation based on the timings that we previously did using rehearsed timings. Kapag clinic natin itong don't use recorded timings, masayang lahat ng recording na ginawa natin. So, click on Create Video, and then automatically, malapit na siyang tapos na siya. Yan. So, and here's our finished product. Norin lang natin siya. And that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. I hope you learned a thing or two.